Welcome to Cadence Design Systems Fidelity Tutorial Tuesday. Today, let's review how to export a mesh generated in Fidelity. We will discuss the mesh formats available and the different export options. From the Fidelity mesh context, select the mesh setup you want to export and click on the up arrow in the Action toolbar. Navigate to the target folder and give a name to the mesh file. Use the drop-down menu to select a mesh format. Volume meshes can be exported to our legacy formats Hexpress and Hexpress Hybrid, but also to Fluent, Star-CCM, CGNS, TAU, and OpenFOAM formats. Surface meshes can be exported as STL, Wavefront OBJ, or ITS meshes. Before exporting the file, use the gear icon to activate the parallel option or carry on the action on a cluster. On the right-hand side, additional export options are available. The first option allows you to merge all mesh patches under the boundary, assembly, or domain level. Let's compare all three options. I have exported and re-imported 3 meshes using the 3 different options. If we compare the first exported mesh with the original tree structure, we can see that there is 1 mesh patch under each boundary. Looking at the second exported mesh, all the mesh patches under the same top assembly are merged into a single patch. Finally, with the third option, all the mesh patches under each domain are merged into a single patch. If you are an OpenFOAM user, it is essential to merge the mesh patches under the boundary level. In addition, all users will benefit from this option to reduce the size of the exported mesh, so we recommend you take advantage of this feature. For surface mesh exports, the option to keep the Fidelity tree structure is available. This export option is recommended to users who want to re-import the exported OBJ or STL into Fidelity. It guarantees that the re-imported file will have the same tree structure as the exported surface mesh in the way Fidelity understands it. Let's compare meshes exported with and without this option. The file that kept the Fidelity tree structure has the same assemblies as the original tree. The file for which this option was not activated has 1 assembly per boundary. Finally, if the Fidelity tree structure is kept, the user can choose to replace the pipe symbol with an underscore, which may be more easily read by other software, although it doesn't make a difference in Fidelity. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please drop us a line down below or connect with us on LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a great Tuesday.